Hello, I'm Libby Garvey, Chair of the Arlington County Board. As most of us know, the World Health Organization has declared the novel coronavirus, or COVID-19, a pandemic. With cases in this region, including Arlington, we are taking steps as your government to support social distancing, and we need every community member's help. We have been preparing for pandemics like this since 2005, and we have been preparing for the coronavirus for the last 6 weeks. With us here today are our Health Director, Reuben Varghese, and our Director of Emergency Management, Aaron Miller, and our County Manager, Mark Schwartz. To slow the spread of this virus, we're changing how government services are delivered, and here's why. And as well, how.
We know that if we can significantly cut back on close physical contact in our community, we can slow the spread of the virus and ensure critical medical resources are available for those who need them. If we can avoid public gatherings and practice good hygiene, personally and collectively, including the simple yet critical step of washing our hands, our community will have the best chance of reducing transmission of the virus. By changing the way we deliver government services, from recreation to human services, Arlington County government can help all of us achieve that goal.
Arlington County's 3,900 employees will continue working and serving our community. We will continue to provide essential services for Arlington that is critical for public health and public safety. This includes 911, fire, police, and important services like housing grants, food stamps, and other essential needs. We will continue to provide permit, zoning and inspection services, as well as maintenance services for water treatment, streetlights, parks, and trails.
Other functions will continue, but differently. We will be adjusting services and facilities to assure safe distancing for residents and for staff. Residents can expect changes in our services, including in parks and recreation, libraries, and other areas. By Monday, we will have a full list of changes to hours, services, and sites available on the county's webpage, which you can go to by typing in arlingtonva.us and entering coronavirus. We are also working with Arlington students and the acting superintendent to make sure, as our schools are closed, that we're able to support our young people and their families.
We know that these new measures are an inconvenience, but we believe that these changes to county government are Arlington's best chance of slowing the spread of this virus. They all support the following basic principle. Whenever people interact, they should try to stay at least 6 feet apart. We call this social distancing, and we need your help to make this the norm, not only when we're interacting with county government, but whenever and wherever we encounter each other. We need to wash our hands first thing when we're entering and leaving a new place, and minimize physical contact with one another.
We need to minimize the spread of infections when they do occur. If you do get sick, if you can stay home, please stay home. Avoid spreading your germs no matter what your illness. If you're concerned or not improving, call your medical provider, urgent care, or the emergency room before showing up to be evaluated for an in-person visit. If you have chest pain or difficulty breathing, please call 911. We need you to make good health decisions to keep you and your loved ones safe.
And if you're healthy, you can leave your house. Just think about your timing to avoid large groups of people, practice social distancing, avoid group gatherings, especially if you're in a high-risk group like seniors and those with underlying chronic medical conditions. If you have questions, you can find answers at cdc.gov/coronavirus or arlingtonva.us/coronavirus.
The County Board is voting to consent to the County Manager's declaration of a local emergency. This will allow us to get the resources we need in the quickest way possible to keep our community healthy and safe. In this rapidly evolving situation, our county government response will adapt to meet the needs of our community. We need your help in keeping yourself, your family, and our community safe. Please continue to visit our public health coronavirus webpage for up-to-date announcements, guidance, and a situation report. That's at arlingtonva.us/coronavirus. Together, we can and we will keep our community strong and resilient. Thank you for your support.